Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rotate an image in Lightroom. So if you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to rotate an image, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now choose a photo that you want to rotate. Now to rotate a photo, simply select here, and now you can see different options like aspects, straighten, rotate. Simply select the rotate option here, and just like that we have rotated it. And if we click on rotate again, and once you're happy with the rotation and the position of the photo, simply click here to save changes. And just like that we rotated our image in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.